Ever wondered why hiccups attack you out of nowhere? It all starts with a sudden spasm in your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. When it tightens too fast, your vocal cords snap shut and create that classic HIK sound. This can happen when you eat too fast, drink soda, get excited, stressed, or even swallow air accidentally. Most hiccups are harmless and stop on their own. But now you know, every hiccup is your diaphragm throwing a tiny tantrum. Public health initiative by ApplePlus Hospitals.